Here's the honest truth about Midjourney that almost nobody talks about. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why it matters, the 3 mistakes most people make, and exactly how to get started today. First, let's talk about why Midjourney matters right now. The landscape changed fast, and the people who adapt early are the ones who win. Most tutorials skip the part that actually moves the needle, so we won't. Second, here are the 3 things nobody tells you. Number 1, start small and measure everything, because data beats opinions every single time. Number 2, pick one workflow and go deep before you go wide. Number 3, automate the boring parts so you can focus on the work that compounds. Third, let's make this practical. Open the tool, set up your first project, and copy the exact steps on screen. Within 10 minutes, you'll have a working result you can build on. If you get stuck, slow down and repeat the previous step. The difference between people who succeed with Midjourney and people who give up is simply consistency and a willingness to experiment. Try one idea today, review what happened tomorrow, and improve the day after. That feedback loop is the whole game. Stick around to the end for the one tip that changes everything. If this helped, the tools mentioned are linked in the description below.